Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we are talking tri-locks. In particular, this brand new one here, this is a G2. My question is to the Locksport community, in particular, if Paul Springer, aka Cranky Lock, is watching or is still around. Question: can I take this cylinder out and put the old cylinder back in to the new housing, or is there something wrong with the old cylinder that's causing that latch bolt to fail? Do I have to replace the whole cylinder? Can I get away with just transferring the old cylinder for the new cylinder? I don't need this new cylinder. I just want to put the old one in the new housing with the new latch, so I'm good to go. So I don't have to rekey the new cylinder to the old cylinder. That's what I'm trying to get away with. So the way these look, this one is a deadbolt, locked on both sides. This one is also a deadbolt, lockable on both sides, but this is an early iteration of it. You can see the difference. Phillips head, not star screws. More engineering, visible. Die cast steel. Yes, I have picked this one. So that's the difference between the old and the new, but let's just take a look. See this one, how would you get cylinder out of that? So we're going to use this one as my demo of what I know. What I know is there's a lot of stuff in there that can go wrong. There's levers and all sorts of things in there. And yeah, not sure if it'll make things worse or not. So I need to know, is there anything in there that's going to cause me grief if I just transfer out one lock for another lock in this Gainsborough tri-lock? So that's coming out nice. Okay, it doesn't lift out. No, it's a slidey out. So it's a slidey out. So it's got to not have something grabbing it for a start, like the latch bolt. So of course the latch bolt would have to be removed. So there it is. So you've got cam on both sides. One there, one there. That's about it. So, can I put that transfer it over? Will there be things in there that'll cause me grief that I need to know about? That's my question to the community. If you have any of the answers, if you could please leave it in the comments below. If Paul's watching, need your help, mate. This is all alien tech to me. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.